Hello, Namaste. 4th February is been celebrated as World Cancer Day, and this year the theme is United by Unique, which means that one size does not fit for all. Every cancer story is unique, and that's why it's very important to have a compassionate and a personalized treatment approach. Very important is to understand that we should be aware about the cancer symptoms so that we can pick it up in the early stage. When we pick the cancer stages in the early stage, the benefit is of hours only, for the reason that you have lesser treatment, you have lesser financial cost to your pockets, you have lesser side effects, and when you have lesser side effects, that means you can go back to your normal life as early as possible. So that is why very important that you be aware about the symptoms. As a female, I would recommend everyone that at least get your mammograms done if you're 50 plus. And today we have a vaccine for cervical cancers. Please motivate your children, and not just girls but also boys, because HPV infection can happen both for the girls and the boys because it is a sexually transmitted virus. So please motivate your family members to get the boys and girls vaccinated. Right. I hope with these type of events, if we are able to create awareness in the society, we are already halfway done with this event. Thank you so much.